In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Excel chapter 6. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. So our today assignment name is Excel 6F event budgets. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. Then here is project description. We increase its size and change its color. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss Excel 6F events budget assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 11, 12, 13. We have 13 questions. Last one is a not graded one, in which we have to close the file, then submit and get the grading. So we have just 12 questions in today assignment in graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step. So first we will discuss project description, then we will move toward a graded part. In this project you will create a budget template for a job fair events. Then you will create a worksheet based on a budget template for review by Milton Hawken, Dallas Jobs Fair Director. So that was just simply project description, and that after reading a description we get idea that what we have in today's assignment, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what will our result, or we call that output. So now we are moving toward graded part, steps to perform, and here is instructions. So in question number 1 we have to open the file. The name of file must be start with student name. Okay, this one that we have already downloaded from a Pearson platform. So we have to open the file name. Okay, the file name is, so we have to click on this file name. This one, yeah. Okay, so question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we just simply open the file that we have downloaded from Pearson. That is 0 marks, but we have to open the file. Okay, now moving toward question number 2. In cell B16 type items, then press tab. Okay, so we have to move to our solution sheet, and here we have to write B16, press enter. Okay, here we have to write what we have to write. We have to write atom, so we just simply copy atom from here. Then here we have to paste. Control V is shortcut for paste. Then in next word, in cell C16 and type description, then C16 description, D16 actual, then E16 we have to type a budget, then in F16 we have to type variance, then in C26 we have to type totals. So step by step we will just copy this one from there and then copy this one and paste that in C16. Here we write C16, press enter, and here we have to paste that one, then press tab. So we move to D16, and for D16 we have to copy this actual from here, then paste that actual here, then press tab. Then for E16 we have to copy budget from here, then paste that here, press tab. Then for F16 we have to type variance, so we just copy variance from here, then paste here. Then in C16 we have to type totals, so we just copy this one and paste that here. Okay, so question number 2 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3, to manage to the range C8 to C12 and B16 to F16, we have to apply their bold. So first we have to select the range C8 to C8 to C8 to C12, and we have to make that bold, and then here B16 to C16, we have to select them and make them bold. Okay, then to the range C8 to C12, we have to apply align right. Now we have to select this range C8 to C12 and make them align right. Aligned right, yes, this one. And D8 to D12, we have to apply align left. Where is D8? D8 to D12, we have to align left. Okay. Then select column B to F, B to F, and display column width to set the column width 15. Okay, so for that we have to select in this way, right click column width, and we have to in 15 there. Press enter. So question number 3 is done, and we have earned 12 marks from there. So in question number 3, to the range C8 to C12 and B16 to F16, first we have to select both ranges, or we just go individually and make them bold. Then to the range C8 to C12, we have to apply their align right. Then range D8 to D12, we have to apply align left. Select column B to F, then display column width dialog box, and then set the width of column B to F to 15, and we have earned 12 marks from there. So, question number 3 is done, and we have earned 12 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4, to construct a formula to compute the variance, this one, for each budget items. So in cell F17, we have to type this formula. First we have to move toward F17 here, and here we have to find variance, and variance is equal to actual minus budget. So equal actual minus budget. Okay, then copy formula down to cell F25. Now we have to copy this formula to F25. Yes, and earn 8 marks from there. So in question number 4, we have to construct a formula to complete the variance. Okay, and variance is equal to actual minus budget for each atom. In cell, we just move towards cell F17, and there we have to type a formula, and our actual is in D17, then minus, and budget is in 17. So we just select D17 minus E17, and we get the result. Then we simply copy the formula down through column F25 and get 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5, in the range D6 to D20, D26 to F26. Where is D26? This one? No. D26 to F26. Okay. In this range, insert appreciate formula to insert sum of the columns. Okay. So now we have to move toward editing, and here we have to use a sum formula. Okay, we have to use this range, then simply drag this formula to there. Yes, and then to the range D18 to F25. Where is D18? D18 to F25. Apply a comma style. There we have to apply comma style to the range D17 to F17 and D26 to F26. Okay, where is the range D17 to F17? Then hold on Control key and select D25 26 to F26. Both ranges are selected. Then we have to apply accounting number format. Okay, we have to apply their accounting number format. So we have to select accounting number format. Then remember that you are creating a template. Yes, we are just creating template. So there is no data entered yet. Yeah, that is okay. So we have earned 13 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to move toward the range, or we just select the range D26 to F26. Then insert appreciate formula to sum these columns. Then to the range D18 to F25, we have to apply comma style. Then to the range D17 to F17 and D26 to F26, we have to apply accounting number format. Remember that you are creating a template, so there is no data entered yet. And we have earned 13 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Navigate to cell E1, insert a picture. This picture that we have in our download folder. Then select the range A16 to A26. Then apply margin center. Then change the orientation to rotate text up, and then type event budget and press enter. Select the merge cell, apply middle align, then apply bold, and then change the font size to 24, and we have earned 12 marks from there. Okay, same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 12 to 13 question in graded part, and we have done first 6 to 7 question in today video. Mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today video we have discussed Excel 6F events budget assignment. In start we just discussed project description. Then we move toward graded part, and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2, 3. Then we have solved question number 4, where we have to find variance, and the formula of variance is actual minus budget. Then after solving question number 4, then we move to question number 5, and we have solved question number 5, where we have to apply a comma style and accounting number format. Then we have moved toward question number 6, and we have solved question number 6. So almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will respond instantly. And remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses. Just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignments, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, and in programming language, if you need help regarding Java, C++, Java, Linux, and there are other courses just like Power BI, Tableau. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I'm available I will respond instantly and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 6x 6F events budget assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.